your WordPress text to look neat and professional? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to indent your paragraphs easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into wordpress.com and head to your dashboard. On the left menu, click Pages and select the page you want to edit. Click Edit to open the content editor. Next, find the paragraph block you want to indent and double-click it to select it. On the right sidebar, click the Block tab, then go to Dimensions. Here you'll see the padding option. This is what we'll adjust to create the indent. Click the three dots next to padding and select Unlink Sides. Now adjust the left padding by dragging it to the right. You'll see your paragraph start to shift over. This is your indentation. Keep adjusting until it looks just right. And that's it. Your text now has a clean, professional indent, making your content more readable and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Apply this tip across your site and keep your WordPress pages looking polished.